The door panel is attached to the door with 4 screws. All screws are freely accessible. After the screws have been removed, the panel is attached to the door with clips. Pull at the panel sharply and with a jerk, starting at the bottom. Pull the panel upwards. Unhook the cable of the interior control. Unplug the power window switch panel. Remove the film on the inside. Lower the side window and get access to the yellow mounting clip. Pull the lock on the back of the clip down. Push the window back and out of the clip. Pull the window up and fix it. Remove the nuts of the window regulator. Remove the window regulator. Lower the side window. Remove the screws of the window guide. Remove the inner slot bar. Pull the guide down, tilt it, and lift it out. Pull out the quarter glass. Remove the side window. Reverse all the steps when reassembling. Be sure that the window runs in the guide properly again. The side view mirror is super simple and can be removed without removing the door panel. One nut is located under the cover in the inside. One screw is under the cover on top of the mirror. Remove the nut and screw. Unplug the mirror and remove it. The door handle is fixed with 2 nuts. One of them is already accessible. For the upper one, you first have to remove the door lock latch. Remove the 3 screws from the lock. Disconnect the rod from the handle to the lock. It can be difficult to do so. Remove and unplug the lock. Now, we got access to the second nut of the door handle. Remove both nuts. Remove the door handle.